Oh shit. Oh.
Don't kill me.
Wood. Is anything I can use? I'm gonna throw up. Can I use that? A lockpick? Use this. Wait. Maybe through here? This is good. This will help. Anything will help. What the hell is that? Hey, what's this?
Where you at?
I got one! Oh, Charlie! Anna! Sweetie! Anna, you're
Please tell me
alive!
she don't see me.
They'll be loving me soon.
Is this you? Over here. Over here, I did everything already. Where are you at? I hate to say move because I don't want to see you.
I just thought you opened the door.
No, that's closed. That's closed. Don't go towards that. If you could go, if you see where it is and you remember where you just came from, go towards the pressure valve, start it back up, and it'll open that up again.
I'm scared, Terrell. I want to make it out.
I wish I could tell you where you are. What do you see? Thank you.
I'm in the front. I'm in back slaughter area. Generator two.
Think.
They're trying to bait you, I think.
What do I do? What do I do?
I'm still here. Somebody's coming.
This person started over here right when you turned my computer.
Sorry.
I'm in loading dock.
Yeah, come over here. Come out. Come to the right. Yeah, that's you. There you go. That's me. There you go. Ah, you made it out. Yes, that's my dog. Let's go. Wait. Stop. No. Say wait.
Okay, I'm out.
You said fuck it. I was trying to. About to say we started off next to each other, but we didn't. Fuck are we at?
To find. Yep. Maybe through here. What is going on?
Oh, we ain't got no leather face.
Oh God. Oh no. Oh dear God.
I'm gonna unlock that door, bitch. It's already coming around the door.
What's through here? Sick. They are sick. A lockpick. I gotta watch out.
Hey, you okay? You seem to have lost a bit of blood. Keep away from us!
Break that neck. When Bone Daddy's driving, it's a 5-car wreck.
Did you say someone escaped?
Yep, I did. Out the damn basement.
Oh my God.
Oh shit. Move, bitch.
Think this should... Come on!
They killed me. Were you fighting somebody? See where you at? All right, you right here with Sonny getting the bounce back. I'm gonna try to help you out if I can. They're down in the basement, so be careful definitely.
Bleed like that.
But this is you. Yeah, stay right there for a sec.
Blood looks nice and fresh.
Ooh. Yeah, I will. Oof. They're guarding hard over here. Everybody's up above.
Shortcut.
But Connie's down in the basement. Sonny just immobilized Grandpa. If you want, you could try to move. Because it don't seem like nobody else is in the basement right now. Everybody's chasing Sonny. And Sonny's about to come down somewhere, so be careful if you're coming up. Yeah, there you go. That's a good spot to come up. Because everybody's on that side. Look, somebody just came through there. Let's see who else is. Yeah, everybody. Connie and Sonny's in the same spot.
Sonny, you're here.
They both lit up like a motherfucker, so. Ooh. Yeah. I'm weak. Okay. I'm trying to think what to do from here. You don't have a tool, you have a knife, so you really slim to what you can do. Sit right there and don't move. See what they're gonna do. See if they're gonna get an exit open or something. Yeah, just stay there. I'm gonna clock what they're doing. Okay, and they're both in the basement. Sonny's making. Why is he lit up? Damn. Don't die, Sonny. Don't die. Don't die. Come on, Sonny. Don't die. Don't die. No, he died. Okay, Connie, I'm on to you. Okay. And you don't have a tool, so you slim to what you can do. He didn't see you.
Welcome to our bunny farm.
Let me see. Yeah, like they're literally guarding everything up here, so you can't. Ooh, see, and they're coming through the house. You got yourself in the center of shit. Connie, what you gonna do? Oh shit, he got her footsteps. Did he get yours?
Yes.
How you get both of y'all's at the same time? That's bullshit.
I'm on your tail now. Don't bleed out
Run,
on
Steve,
me
in there,
yet.
straight, go
I
straight
need
in there. Yep, he can't follow you in there. And then go down. Hurry up.
Go of your
Go
fear.
down where?
It's so
Down there. Yep. Get the fuck down. Oh no! They were waiting on you. They were waiting on you.
Jesus, them bitches are nasty.
He's down there with Connie.
Fuck,
Connie,
I'm gonna hit. Go.
Connie, be careful. Bones is literally down there guarding one of the doors.
Fuck. Them bitches make me.
Leland literally ran down there and Bones is sitting down there waiting.
Jesus.
Why are they doing this to us?
Oh shit.
And I kept pressing R1, but it won't actually.
Damn. Who do we have? Leatherface, Johnny. Alright.
I gotta find this. Like, it's so hard for me to see right now.
I don't know where we are.
I know it's like, I literally can't see it. See nothing. It was right. Oh,
I don't know what board we're on. I think, oh, my favorite board. Abandonment. Oh, shit. Little bit. Who is it, Leatherface?
No, Johnny, and I can't see what I'm doing, so I'm about to go. so hard up and getting me, bro.
Who?
Finally. I think I lost him.
Somebody killed you?
How did they find me? Where are they? Are they gone?
Alright, dude, what you see? I can see shit.
Well,
But I know they're still around.
Play this. I literally can't see nothing.
this like this much quiet.
I have to watch myself.
Quiet. There's bad. This is much. I need to stay strong. Gotta find the others.
I was bound to die in that one. I couldn't even put up a fight there.
Oh, thank God. Danny! You're alive!
I'm scared to move because my health is low as shit.
Be careful.
That wasn't fun. I did have one.
Oh man, I ain't got no health.
Oh, you literally just one swipe away from a meltdown. I am weak.
Yes, I'm waiting for my character to reset.
It just passed out.
My stupid ass, I could have been using this.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
I can't move because he's about to die. He's out. Where did he go to get out of here? Come on and just do the bleed out. Come on, 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 come on.